Hey, everyone! Welcome back to InnovateIQ, where we dive deep into the latest tech news. Today's topic is quite intense, a shocking incident at Tesla's Giga Texas factory. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Let's roll the intro.
Tesla's Giga Texas robot attack. What really happened? Now let's talk about something that has left us all in disbelief. Reports have surfaced of a Tesla engineer being attacked by a malfunctioning robot at the Giga Texas factory near Austin. Yes, you heard that right, a robot attack. Before we delve into the details, make sure to drop a like if you find this information valuable. According to an injury report filed in 2021 and reviewed by DailyMail.com, witnesses watched in horror as their fellow employee was attacked by a robot designed to handle car parts. The incident left the engineer with an open wound on his left hand, and witnesses described a chilling scene of blood on the factory surface. But here's where it gets even more concerning. Despite the severity of the incident, the injury report claimed that the engineer didn't require time off. An attorney representing Tesla's Giga Texas contract workers, however, suggests that injuries at the factory might be underreported. My advice would be to read that report with a grain of salt. We've had multiple workers who were injured and one worker who died, whose injuries or death are not in these reports that Tesla is supposed to be accurately completing. High rate of workplace injuries. The Giga Texas factory has been under scrutiny for its high rate of workplace injuries compared to the industry median. The rapid construction of the facility over 2 years has been cited as a contributing factor to lax safety measures. A review by The Information revealed that Tesla's Giga Texas plant outpaces the rest of the auto industry in both total accidents and accidents serious enough to require time off. The ratios are staggering, with 1 in every 21 workers at Tesla's Giga Texas factory being injured on the job in 2022. Concerns about compliance reports. Now let's talk about compliance reports. Tesla must submit these reports to maintain tax breaks in Texas. The attorney emphasized the importance of accurate reporting and criticized the potential lack of transparency in recording injuries and deaths. There is this requirement that Tesla compile a compliance report every year. Their injuries haven't been in the report, like the worker who died, Antelmo Ramirez. His death was not recorded. It's crucial to address concerns about workplace safety and the well-being of employees. We hope Tesla takes the necessary steps to ensure transparency and safety at Giga Texas. What are your thoughts on this shocking incident? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious.